Here I come to you with first programming challenge on the topic of token, data types and operators. Please go through these rules before you take this challenge. Please take a notebook and pen before you read further. Problem shown here will also depict a recommended time to solve with acronym shown as RTS. You are advised to keep it as a guideline for you. Don't worry much if you take higher time than the recommended time. Efficiency increases by practice only. Right? You are requested to pause the video after the problem is shown to you. If you really want to evaluate yourself, please do so. After some time of the problem slide, you will be shown the hint slide. You should play the video further to watch the hint and then pause again to try solving the problem again. After that, you are brought to the detailed solution page. Please watch every second of it and compare it with your own solution. Here is the problem 1. Here is a simple Java code. Please note down on a sheet of paper which are the keywords, identifiers and literals in this code. Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. It has 6 keywords, 8 identifiers and 3 literals. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. The keywords in the given problem are class, public, static, void, for and int, as these are the words defined by the Java language syntax. Just check that main, string, etc. are not keywords. What are they? We shall soon see. The identifiers in the program are token problem 1, main, string, args, I, system, out, println. All the user-defined names are identifiers, whether they are defined by you as a user or the users who created Java libraries. For example, string is a class name in Java which is present in java.lang set of classes. The literals in the program here are 0, 3 and the hello string within double quotes. Literals are those entities that remain fixed and are used literally by the compiler. I must also add that 0 and 3 are integer literals and hello is string literal. And here is problem 2. Here is an example Java code to calculate area of the circle. Please count the number of operators in the program. Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. Count it even if it comes twice or multiple times. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. Here are assignment operators 1, 2 and 3. And these are multiplication operators 1 and 2. This will not be counted as it is within the string literal. So total number of operators are 5.